Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This house is located in the peaceful and cool environment of Tower Isles with amazing views of the Caribbean Sea. This great investment opportunity is perfect for the savvy investor that wants income property options and is keen on unearthing a diamond in the rough. The property also comprises of 3 levels. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million or US $390,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area for full details. If you like this house, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.